Welcome my viewers to the Flying Colors Online Academy. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also make sure you click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you get to know. Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about these key topics which you need to revise in biology. I know that you've got pressure and because of that, you do not know what to study, but please, I want you to go through these key topics. These topics, actually, you will find them in your exam. Okay, so what is the first topic which I want you to revise? So I want you to revise genetics. I want you to revise genetics. And under genetics, I want you to master actually variation, the definition for variation, and most importantly, you know the types of variation. You understand that we've got two types of variation, continuous and discontinuous, and you know some of the examples because if you go in paper 1, those are the questions you are going to find. Okay, what else are you supposed to understand under genetics? The other thing I want you to revise is blood group inheritance. I want you to revise blood group inheritance. You know how blood groups actually are inherited from parents to the offsprings. Yeah, if you want to watch the full video explaining how blood groups are inherited or blood group inheritance as a topic, check in the comment section. You're going to find the link and I'm sure you're going to understand. Okay, the other topic which is very, very important, I mean the subtopic under genetics, which I want you to understand is how to write genetic diagrams. Make sure you know how to write genetic diagrams, and the reason is simple. If you go on question 5 of any biology question paper, you are going to find that always actually they ask to write a genetic diagram, and that question mostly carries 5 marks or 4 marks. So if you don't know how to write genetic diagrams, it means you are not going to get those marks correctly. So make sure you do well by revising these subtopics under genetics. Okay, what is the second topic which I want you to revise in biology for you to be on safe side in biology? So the second topic, make sure you revise. Okay, the second topic, I want you to revise ecology. And under ecology, I want you to look at some terms of ecology. Yeah, what am I talking about? There are some terms like ecosystem, terms like inhabitants, terms like population, community. I want you to revise those terms because you'd find that if you check in most of biology question papers in section B, these are the essays you're going to find there. And then besides that, I want you also to revise food chains and food webs. And basically, I want you also to know the differences between food chains and food webs. I hope you're understanding that. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So this is the second topic which I want you to revise. And just to add on, make sure you also look at carbon and nitrogen cycles. Yeah, make sure you revise carbon and nitrogen cycles because you're going to find that there's some questions in paper 1 which are based on these two nutrient cycles. So make sure you do that, and I'm very much sure that immediately you revise these topics, actually you're not going to regret. Let's talk about the third topic. What other topic are you supposed to revise? What other topic are you supposed to revise as you are preparing yourself? I know that you remained with few days. I heard that you are writing on 29th of July. So I want you to revise because you don't have time. Concentrate on these key topics. The third topic which I want you to revise is excretion. excretion. This is an important topic, and under this topic, I want you to look at the structure of the kidney. Yeah, I want to find that in paper 1 questions, if you go and buy paper 1, there are some just questions whereby they have brought the structure of the kidney, and then they are telling you to identify a certain part. So if you revise the structure of the kidney, you're going to find that even some questions in paper 2, you are going to get them correctly. So please make sure you do that. And then the other thing, make sure you also revise the role of the kidney in excretion. Make sure you also revise the role of the kidney in excretion. What is the importance of what is the importance of the kidney in excretion? Yeah, that question is mostly brought in section B, and you're going to find that it is mostly in most of the times it carries about 5 marks, 6 marks. Yeah, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks. So make sure you do well by revising this subtopic. All right. The last topic, which is very, very, very important, and I do not want you to forget to revise this topic. As you are preparing yourself, please, I'm repeating this, make sure you revise these topics. Okay, the last topic which I want you to do, which is of course the fourth one, is homeostasis. And under this one, please get me clearly. Under this one, I want you to revise, I want you to know and master the function of the skin in homeostasis. How does the skin actually help in thermoregulation? Yeah, when it is cold, when it is hot. Please make sure you do that. I hope and believe that you've seen such an essay question. Yeah, make sure you do that. Make sure you revise. And then the other subtopic under homeostasis, I want you to look at how glucose is regulated. How glucose is regulated. And in fact, I can just tell you to say this topic, homeostasis, is a short topic. Same applies to excretion. So make sure you revise all of these topics. Make sure you revise all of these topics. Please, I repeat, please, I know what I'm talking about. Revise these topics, and you're going to find that at the end you'll come and appreciate. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Flying Colors Online Academy. We work together in your academic journey, not until you have something, of course, which will actually take you somewhere. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Don't forget to share, to put a like and a comment if you find this video to be very, very helpful. Thank you.